And where the hell is your plan? You've produced nothing in 4 years. 3 pages in a 52-page budget document. 3 pages on housing. Where is your plan, Deputy? You're all sound, noise and fury, and you have no substance on any of this. 33,000 houses were built last year. 33,000, which is in excess of the target set in Housing for All. Last year, in 2022, 29,500 in excess of the target that was set in Housing for All. The targets are being exceeded. But Deputy, you have a responsibility. We understand that housing is the biggest issue facing the families across this country. We have never hidden that reality. Our population is increasing. There are challenges out there. But the supports we've brought in place are enabling young people to buy the houses in this country at levels that they haven't been able to do before. Do we want to do more? Of course we do. But please, I beg you, Deputy, and you haven't responded to the assertions that I have made. There is no plan to help young people. What your plan is, your plan through the Chair, is to abolish supports to first-time buyers and undermine their capacity to afford new houses. That is the essence of your 3-pager in your 52-page budget. You're all sound, pure bluster and no substance.